I was very lucky to sort of start playing keys from like the age of 6, I think. I always just played by ear. I hated to learn, how to do music. I thought just playing by ear and like writing stuff from the top of your head and just sitting and messing was the best thing in the world. I just always wrote music. That was always the thing. It was like always writing songs. My music is a fusion of jazz, R&B, ambient, and dance music. It changes every single time the way I get inspired to make something. It can be like going on a journey, going on tour, being in a car, a conversation with someone. A lot of the times it's voice notes, actually. It's just any one of those things will spark an idea. I feel like I come out of getting the ideas down, like being sick on a page almost, and then bringing the song out of it. Progression for me 3 years ago, 2 years ago was about the next song and like putting every single thing into that. But now I think it's about maturing in my writing and writing a conceptual body of work. I'd like to just work with more and more creatives as well. Like collaboration is, especially on the visual front. Every time I meet a new dancer and someone inspires me that way, or a director or someone comes up with a vision from the music, that always feels like a progression. Meeting more people and really understanding people and connecting with more people through the music and their own art forms. That's what I want to do more of. That feels like progression. It's people that matter, at the end of the day. I think that's what I've come to realise. People are the most inspiring